There are many different ways to make Cheung Fun, and after testing a combination of ingredients, I found the perfect way. I'll share with you all the tips and tricks.
Trust me, your Cheung Fun will come out perfectly every single time.
Over medium-low heat, add the oil, Chinese sausage, and rehydrated dry shrimp. Stir fry until aromatic for about 2 minutes. You can also replace the filling with shrimp, beef, chashu, or youtiao. Add the scallions. Mix together. To make the sauce, add the hot water and sugar. Whisk until dissolved. Pour in the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Mix well. To make the batter, we'll need rice flour, tapioca starch, and wheat starch. They're available in most of the Chinese supermarkets in the flour section. Now let's add the rice flour, tapioca starch, wheat starch. Wheat starch will make the Cheung Fun slightly translucent. And water. Whisk. Prepare about 2 tablespoons of oil as a non-stick coating in a heat-resistant container. In my case, it's a 9x9 cake pan. And brush a dash of oil all over it. Whisk the batter again. Make sure to do this every single time before adding the batter into the container because all the flour and starch will sink to the bottom after a while. Pour about half cup of the mixture into the container. You can add more or less depending on the size of your container. In a large steamer over high heat. Bring water to a boil. Place the container inside and move it around to make sure everything is leveled. Cover the lid and steam for about 4 minutes until completely cooked through. So what is your favorite filling for Cheung Fun? Please comment below. Remove the container and cool down for about a minute. On a clean working surface, brush a dash of oil on it as a non-stick coating. Scrape the sides of the Cheung Fun to loosen it up. And carefully put it up. Place the Cheung Fun on the working surface, smooth side down. Add the filling over it. And fold it up. Trim off the sides. And we're going to do the same with all of them. Serve the Cheung Fun with the sauce. If you also like to make shrimp Cheung Fun from scratch, click on the link right here. Please subscribe, follow, and like for more easy-to-follow Asian recipes.
This is super tasty restaurant quality. It has an amazing cute texture to it. I love it, and I will see you again soon. Bye!